Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Redmi 9 or Redmi phone in general and erase all the data that is present inside it. So let's get started. So first thing you need to go to settings. So I'm having here the settings icon over here. I will just click that, and inside settings you'll be having about phone. So if you don't have that thing, you can just go to search settings and type about phone. So I am having at the top, so I'll just click on about phone, and in the about phone if you just scroll down, here you will be having an option called as backup and restore and factory reset. So you have two options. So if you go to backup and restore, you can basically just take the backup of your data. So there is Google backup, and you can even like backup the items on the device, which I am not going to do in this video because I am just literally going to erase everything that is present on my phone. So for me, I will go to this factory reset option. Yeah, and here you can see, right, erase the following items. Basically it erases us photos and videos, apps, accounts, backup, SD card, and literally everything. And if I just click on erase all data, it will literally erase everything, and before that you need to enter your pin.